Hello. We just had a massive whipped cream fight.
Cool Whip.
Cool Whip, I'm sorry.
It's Cool Whip fight.
Cool Whip fight. Yes, this is my gross hair. Daniel is in the secret room. Secret room. Oh, my hair is so sticky. Secret room. Ah! No more. How do I look, Dylan?
Bro.
Thank you. That's pretty awesome. Yeah. Pimpin'. I don't want to get his hat sticky, so I'm kind of scared to put it on. The top of my head is just like grossly sticky. Yes. So we have cheddar popcorn, ice cream, ice cream. Whoa, that was quick.
I'm very quick.
You're very quick.
But not when it counts.
Oh, damn it! I didn't want to take a video.
Great.
Great. Great.
Great.
Great.
Great.
I look like a wrestler or something.
This is gonna look so bad. Just like right out of the show. What? You got wet hair, you have a towel around you, and you have white sticky stuff all over you.
What?
No, I mean, what did you say?
Oh, okay.
You're making a video of this.
I didn't mean to take a video. Look, laundry room.
Laundry room. How interesting. Oh, okay.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Holy crap, man.
Videotape. I wonder what these are. Corn.
All this fruit falling.
Whoa.
Even back my Peter Griffin shoe.
You back your Peter Griffin shoe. Oh my god. Keep going.
It hurts so much getting up my arm.
Oh my god. Shooting it so loud. Sounds like a mouse.
That's all I know.
Why do I keep shushing you? Don't do his hair though.
No.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, look at her.
Oh my god. Look how thick. You can't penetrate that. Oh my god. Dude, just stop. Oh, it's breakout now. Oh, do you want some help?
No, it's okay.
You're gonna have like all your arm hair. Oh. Nice job.
Thank you.
Oh, you skim.
No way you're getting
Oh, you cheap-ass bastard. Shut up, this is gonna hurt like a bitch.
Oh.
Calm me down and tell me what I should do.
It's fun to watch you torture.
No.
Oh. Dude, just stop. Just let him break out.
Nothing.
Red room.
Yeah.
Go to the red room. Go to the red room. Go to the red room.
Ew. That's the last?
Yes, I broke it.
Oh, you just ruined my fun.
Okay, one sec. I'll get out of here without it. Oh, thank Christ.
True devotion.
Oh! Dance like a bitch! My new shirt, too.
Just leave it. It can be your new belt.
Yeah.
Hey, man.
Oh. Oh.
Hey, man, I could have done worse. Over your eyebrows.
Oh.
Could have been worse if I was in my underwear. No,
Oh.
that would hurt. Like, oh. Steve Carell.
Oh.
Yeah.
You should leave it there.
Yeah, this isn't going on Facebook.
Why?
I'm not posting a video of some guy being taped up.
That is
What happened?
so red. Look at that.
That's like a cheap waxing.
It didn't even wax.
I know. You ever hear of flossing?
Red room. Red room.
So red right now.
I know, me too.
Someone's videotaping.
You're already videoing?
Yes.
Oh. What are we gonna do? Something?
Something fun.
Gotta know how to do something. Go to Dylan Test me. Get PS2.
What?
If you really want that thing,